Hello, guys. Welcome back to my drone stories. Today we are at Atomic. Yeah, if you know Accra, you know Legon Atomic Madina. So this is where we are exploring today. If you are new here, please give us a like and subscribe and leave a comment. So let's just dive in. As I said, this is Atomic Madina Legon Road, and today we are exploring what happens here. It's around 4 p.m. and as you can see, there's a little bit of traffic build-up. Yeah, I mean workers have closed from work, so as you can see, from Accra coming. So this is we are heading towards we are facing the Accra road right now. So you can see the roads from Accra coming, and I think those entering Hacho, it's blocked. So you can see the traffic build-up there. And like I always say, by now, the cost of the traffic is something so small. By now, somebody just had to give someone way, but no. Anyway, so this is under the overpass, and oh, I like the shots. So yeah, I mean, you can see, yep. So yeah, those cars are they are using the Hacho Road, and let's go up a little bit and see what's happening, and get a really bird's eye view of everything. See what's written in the middle of the road, NPP 2024. I think this is actually vandalism, right? I mean, anyway, so that's the road. So this is wow, it's really nice. I always like a real shot. So that is Atomic to Accra, as you can see, and you can see the Legon campus. I think yeah, those are the Pent hostels, and this stretch also is the Hacho stretch, Hacho to Dome stretch, and that is North Legon. I like the mountain landscape, and that is Madina. This road is, I mean, it leads to Madina Eburi, that side there, and so yeah, this one too. I think it goes to UPSA. I don't know what's does it. I don't know. So you can let us know in the comment where that stretch leads to. And this is their taxi rank there. That taxi rank is really nice because it's kind of paved and it's nice as compared to some dusty taxi ranks that we have in the country. Let's enjoy this view. As you can see, the traffic build-up, the incoming cars from Accra is literally caused by those cars entering the Hacho stretch. Anyway, I like the greens here. As you can see, that is the Presbyterian Senior High School Presec, and you can see UPSA at the back there. I like the greens. Look, imagine if the whole of Accra is green like this, and you can see some pockets of cloud shades too, which is really, 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 really nice. Yeah, so that is UPSA, and I really like the greens. I mean, we don't like planting in Accra at all. And you can see the University of Ghana Business School, and yeah, that's the University of Ghana Business School there. I don't know if I think that land belongs to University of Ghana. Yeah, that's where the University of Ghana Hospital is. And you can see that is Pent, I think, yeah, Pent Hall there, and that's the University of Ghana campus. Yeah, I think the whole of Accra, it's this place and Achimota. This is where you can get like good vegetation. Look at the greens. This is so nice. And that is the Hacho stretch once again. It leads to the Atomic Energy Commission and Kwabenya and all that. And back to the intersection. It's an intersection. As usual, this is where I think 5 6 years ago there was an explosion at Yeah, this I don't know where the explosion actually happened, but it's yeah, it's around this side. I think that's where that dome is kind of built. Right now, um, another fuel station is occupying there. So, I don't know what caused the explosion. I don't know if we've rectified it, and Ghana as a whole, we've made sure that something like that never happened before. So let's explore. That is the center point mall, as you can see. Yeah. So we have the front side and the back side. That place is actually it's a nice business hub. I mean, a lot of businesses around there, and that's the Hatcho stretch. The Hatcho stretch is really a small road, so now the traffic build up nowadays is crazy. Okay, let's turn and go back. We are focusing on the atomic, basically that side. So let's go back again. So because of the traffic build up at the intersection there, the cars exiting the Hatcho stretch too, there's a little bit of traffic build up. One thing about commuting in Accra here is motor riders always get their way through. Ooh, I just missed that power line. You see, that's the thing. In fact, people with a lot of money having Porsche cars, expensive cars, some of them also have motorbikes. Sometimes you want to just get to some place in 30 minutes. If you have a car, it will take you 2 hours to reach there. But a motorbike, you can get in and out in a few minutes. So what do we have here? So that is the Panda Mart. Right now it is Panda Mart. So this mart, to my knowledge, I think over 2-3 people have owned this thing. In a few months, you will see then the name has changed. I don't know if that's a sign of if that's for tax evasion or what. I don't know. Today is Panda Mart. Tomorrow it is China Mart. The next day it is something else. I don't know if it's some form of something. Anyway, so yeah, as usual, this is Atomic for you. You can see the traffic. So if you are coming from, we are heading towards Madina right now. But if you are coming from Madina and you are going straight, you can use the overhead. You just go straight. But those using the road at the down there are usually going to Hacho. They are trying to use that Hacho stretch, or it's just public transport that wants. I mean, they want to pick people because there's a bus stop at that side. So that's the overhead to. It looks really clean here because people don't really walk there. I doubt if people don't walk there, so it's kind of clean. You get a point? I like this. Imagine if the streets of Accra are free like this, but come on, you won't get it. It's just few places that you can get. Even this road, sometimes there are traffic there. So let's head to the bus stop. As you can see, the Atomic bus stop is behind these street hawkers. As usual, our street hawkers. This place is meant for pedestrians. People should just walk there freely, but then we've turned it into marketplaces. If you try to do your work and sack them right now, Ghanaians will come and complain. Why are you are taking their work away from them? But come on, enough of the rant. Let's go and use the other side too and see somebody's selling motorbike here. And the pedestrian stretch. Somebody is selling motorbike there. Once again, I really like the greens. So yeah. And now this is the Madina bound road. So if you're coming from Accra, this is the bus stop. This is where your car will stop. As you can see on this stretch too, people are selling stuff there. Yes, it's supposed to be a bus stop, but a whole lot of economic activities happening there. Let's get in here a little bit and see if we can I don't know, fly the drone through these pillars. Sorry about my poor piloting skills. It was extremely windy, so I was trying to not crash my drone here. The pillars are so massive. Imagine how deep they have to be in the ground to accommodate that concrete slabs on the road and whatever weight of cars that are passing there too. It's really awesome. Some engineering really, see, people are selling here too. And Ghana and our posters, any surface that we see, we want to post stuff there. Anything that we see, we want to post stuff on there. So that brings us to the end of our atomic exploration. That's the atomic taxi rank. You can let us know in the comments where next you want us to do a video about. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you again next time. Have a good day.